The only reason I'm doing a live is it's a funny story. My mate just contacted me today from the UK who I used to work with years ago. And like a lot of us, he's using CHAT GPT. And he was doing something on a car access system, a CAS, and there's a starter motor relay in there. And he knew it was knackered because he's quite a clever lad, but he wanted to understand what exactly had gone wrong. So he asked CHAT GPT for some help. And I don't know exactly what he did because he was waffling on and showing me something, but he basically set the board on fire. It was telling him like, he's like me, he don't know so much about integrated circuits, and he said, yeah, put a new relay in and it just isn't working for some reason. So I started to get deep into integrated circuits, and then lo and behold, ChatGPT, he sent me like loads of screenshots to GPT what it had suggested him to do. But the funny thing is that it just like at first it was okay, but then he started telling me about pulling things to ground and pulling things to 5 volts and all that crap, integrated circuits, all this type of stuff. And lo and behold, before you know it, it set the thing on fire pretty much and burned it, and burned his fingers as well, really. But it's a good one, isn't it? I mean, it's like, I didn't know people were doing it. I've used GPT, mate, and I think it's fantastic within reason. But you have to be really careful what it suggests. It might suggest something, but it don't mean that it's going to be right. He said, oh, just send me some photos. He said, just send me some photos and I'll have this circuit whacked in no time. I'll have this sorted in no time. Some American speech or something he was saying. I'll have this thing licked in no time. So we sent all these photos and all that business, and then before you know it, essentially, he burnt the bloody board, hasn't he? So there you are. Don't do it, really. It's a funny story though, isn't it? Like, you know what you think? I thought it was funny anyway. Just another quick one as well. My voltage drop is turning into a bit of a scandal, isn't it? Like a load of people asking me this and asking me that, and that's exactly the point of YouTube, isn't it? We have to create these little things just to get a conversation going. I think it's going to be pretty cool. A lot of cool videos coming up lately, you know, pretty soon. But another thing he said as well, by the way, Brian, I used to work with up in Blackburn, he said, yeah, I was using GPT for diagnosing misfire, and it was almost bang on until he started telling me to take the diesel fuel injector out, and I was working on a petrol engine. What's going to happen though, like with this GPT? Can it replace people like us? I don't think it can. I don't think GPT is going to replace us. I've had a funny day today. Brian contacted me about this GPT, about this diode setting on fire. I wish I had photos, but he told me not to show anyone because it was a customer's car and he has to pay for a new CAS out of his own pocket. He's got his own business, you see. I can't show any photos. And that, by the way, that ain't Brian. I'm not showing Brian's face. That thumbnail don't really look like Brian. Brian's got like blonde hair. He's not even dark hair, but I used the thumbnail. I actually used GPT to make the thumbnail. But he said, what did he say to me? He said, yeah, the board. He started to touch and probe on the board. And he said, oh, it seems quite promising, Ben. He said, it seemed quite promising. I heard the relay click. And he said, and he asked GPT, and it said, oh, just test it, put your probe on this one in and go to ground or something like that. I don't know the full story because he really didn't tell me everything. And when he went to ground second time, it all started smoking, like literally like red hot. He burnt his hand, he dropped it, he went shit and dropped it, and all his freaking hand was up like sore, you know, after like a bit red. So yeah, it's £1,000 for a new CAS. I said, Jesus mate, why don't you just send it BBA Reman and just get it remanufactured for like £100? Now you're going to have to stand a new CAS. It's a nightmare, isn't it? Will it replace us? Will it bloody hell replace us? A quick sweep before I go on. It'll not replace us. It'll not replace us, will it? Anyway, I just thought you'd find that story quite amusing. Drop us a comment, will you, if you're in the trade and you're using GPT. Because if you are, I'd like to know if you are using it or not. Anyway, I thought you'd like that little story. It's time for me to now go on, because I'm tired. New video coming out. Keep saying that. It's done now, but the recording was crap last night, so I need to make a new recording. Anyway, hope you like that little story. I'll do a few of these if you want. See you all soon.